Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by prepping and moving immediately. Heat a heavy pot over medium, add 2 tablespoons oil, then add diced onions, carrots, and celery. You sweat them for 4-6 minutes. This releases sugars and builds base flavor. Once they are soft, add minced garlic and cook 30-45 seconds so it becomes fragrant without burning. Meanwhile, measure 1/5 2L broth and have salt, pepper, and any dried herbs at hand, so you can add them incrementally. Once your aromatics are glossy, stir in tougher vegetables like potatoes and parsnips so they have time to soften. Pour in broth to cover ingredients by about 1-2 cm and increase heat until you reach a gentle simmer. Avoid a rolling boil which breaks down texture. Make sure to skim any foam from the surface so flavors stay clean. Add herbs and a bay leaf early for infusion, then adjust salt midway. After 20-25 minutes of simmering, check vegetables with a fork for tenderness. You finish by adding quick cooking vegetables and leafy greens in the final 3-5 minutes so they stay bright and not mushy. Make sure to taste and adjust seasoning. Add salt or pepper gradually and a splash of lemon or vinegar to lift flavors if it tastes flat. If the soup is too salty, dilute with unsalted broth or water and rebalance acidity. If it's too thin, puree a cup of cooked veg and stir back in to thicken. This rescue keeps texture and flavor intact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.